Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Doraemon, so let's get started. To draw this cool cat, let's first start by drawing two ovals for his eyes. So let's come right here and just draw one oval, and they're going to be stuck together. So I got one, and right next to it we'll draw another one. There, so I have two ovals, and then let's come inside, close to the center, we're going to draw another small oval. And same thing on the other side. And I'm going to come in here with a highlight right here in the corner with a circle and shade everything else in. And same thing over here. There. So I have the eyes in. So then now let's draw his nose. So right in between, we're just going to kind of draw this ovalish circle. Right in the center. And from this circle here, or oval, right in the center, once again, we're going to draw a straight line. So we just want to keep coming down. So one straight line. And there we're going to start his mouth. So right here, I'm just going to start a curve. Aw, that's pretty cute already, right? But we're going to make his mouth open. So just going to kind of imagine this coming down, say about right here, because it's easier for my hand to go up this way, and then I'll come down. But you basically just want to draw a curve. And we just have to keep in mind that Doraemon's mouth is very big compared to his eyes. So a big curve in, and then say about right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve at the bottom to open up his mouth. There, nice big mouth. And let's come inside here, right here in the center. I'm just going to draw two curves for his tongue. Okay, so then now let's come back up to here to this corner, and we're going to continue this outwards and then curl it in just softly. And same thing over here. Just extend it out a tiny bit and just lightly draw a curve. From there, let's come in and draw his signature whiskers. So there's going to be 3 of them. So close to the nose, let's say 1, 2, and 3. Just giving myself points so it's just a little bit easier to know where I'm going. And we're going to draw 3 whiskers. 2 and 3. And same thing over here. So just approximate. Right there, 2 and 3. Okay, so same thing, come out. And one more. And now we can go ahead and draw his face. So right here, let's say the center of this eye, I'm basically going to curve around for to start his face and his head. So I'm bringing this big curve all the way around, and we're going to come back down below his mouth. So we're just coming around. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. So once again, kind of about right here, center of the eye. I'm just going to bring a big curve all the way around. So really close to this curve right here, and bring it down around his mouth. And we're just going to end a little bit below his mouth. So right there. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and come back right here. And now we're going to draw another curve. So this is going to be really close, and it's going to get wider as we come out. We're just going to start to draw Doraemon's big head, big round head. So just kind of follow it, go up. And I'm going to come to the center, not too far up, maybe say about right here. So I know that's my center point. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect this up to that point. So whatever is easier for your hand, return the paper to create this curve. You can start up here or start down there. It's all up to you. But you just want to create this big circle, circlish head, all the way back. Okay, finally. Now we can go ahead and connect. So right underneath, now that all these points are pretty level, we're going to come right here and draw a curve right across, right underneath his mouth. So we're going to start to draw his collar now. So right there, cut it off. And come back right here, and we're going to add a curve for his collar on both sides. So before I finish the collar, I'm going to come to the center and draw his bell. So it's basically a circle. So let's say about right here. I'm going to draw a really big curve, pretending I'm drawing a circle. And I'll stop there because I'm using a Sharpie, but if you're using a pencil, go ahead and finish the circle. I'm going to stop right here and add this little curve that goes around the bell. This ring that goes around the bell, and then continue my bell. Nice big round bell. There. And then for some details, come right in the center and draw, thicken up a circle, and then a line right in the center. So then now we can go ahead and finish the collar. So just go ahead and just thicken it up on both sides. And we're done with the collar. Okay, so then now we're going to draw the body. Let's skip a little bit of space, come down on both sides. Just skip a little space, come down, and then we're going to draw a slight curve for Doraemon's body. And let's bring it down. Okay, before I know how far to bring this, I'm going to come right underneath his bell. Well, actually, you know what? Let's come in here. I'm going to draw his belly area. So just bringing in a curve. And I'm just leaving enough room for like this little pocket that he has. So I'm just going to draw a curve all the way around. And connect. So then we can come in here underneath this bell and just draw a slight curve. And we're going to draw this pocket. So we're just going to follow the curve underneath of it. There. Now we can go ahead and come right underneath in the center again. From the center point, we're going to go ahead and draw a small curve right underneath for his legs. And then let's come back here and come down, say about that much, and then we're going to go ahead and connect it with a soft curve. And same thing over here. So about right there. And connect. Okay, so then now let's draw his feet. So it's just basically a big oval that goes around. So about right here, just kind of curve and connect. And same thing here. So curve, come around right here, and connect. And so then now we have his hands to draw. So let's come back up in the space we've created, and I'm going to come out right here and draw a curve that comes down. About right here, I'm going to go up a little bit, and in this space we're going to draw a circle for his hand. So just pop in a circle in this little nuke that you've created. There. So now his other hand's going to be up waving. So say about right here. Go up and about right here, about the same thickness as the other hand. So about right here, I'm going to go up And once again, in this little area I've created, I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle. And I'll try my best to make it the same size, almost the same size, so it doesn't look too off. Bring it over this side a little bit more. There. What a mess. But you get an idea, right? That's what we want to create on this hand. Okay, and that is pretty much it for Doraemon right here. And of course, I'm going to add a heart right here to make it my Draw So Cute Doraemon. And I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me, and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.